Automotive tips and advice. Introducing Armstrong TV presents Auto Electrical Repair Services. Watch and learn. Do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hello guys, good morning, magandang umaga pa. Ako po si ABS Chong TV. Salamat sa panonood ng aking channel to repair the alternator, how to troubleshoot the air conditioning, and how to overhaul the starting system. YouTube tutorial, basic automotive. So just follow my channel and click the subscribe button. I'm gonna see you in the
Easy clutch function. Take time to read. Let's go to actual demonstration. Okay, this is the compressor. Now we check where's the hole. YouTube live. And what to do? We need to grip the AC clutch plate to remove the 10 mm bolts. We need to put in the gato, and you need to remove the number 10 mm bolts inside the compressor. After pressing the plates, now we remove the number 10. That is one I put in the side. 10 mm. That's the only one bolt in the AC clutch. Okay, this is the new one. AC clutch. I will gonna show you what is the how long inside the hub. This is very difficult to remove. You see that size of 1 inch inside the compressor. And this is the coil inside the clutch. That's one, the right side. The right hand, my left hand, and then the right side is the hub. And that is the pleat. Okay, I will put in seat aside. And this is the one snap ring lock. This is the one we need to remove inside the compressor. Inside it, that one. And now we're gonna start to remove. Watch me and how to remove the AC clutch in the perfect way. And I'm gonna use the special tools. You cannot buy these tools in the outside in stores because this is a modification. Special tools making by the machine shop. And now we need to check the screw bolt, the condition of the thread, if we are lost thread or not. If we are in the loose thread, we cannot remove this. We need to replace the brand new compressor. Now we're going to check the condition of the thread, if we're losing or not. This is only 3 bolt combination to how to remove the AC clutch, but this is kind of a compressor that we do not have special tools. We need to build our own special tools to how to remove the AC clutch. And now I'm going to proceed. I need to remove first the 3 bolts. That is true. That is the 3 bolts is made of good kinds of bolt. First class, the black one. Don't use the ordinary bolts. It will become loose after, because this is very heavy to remove. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how to remove it. Put the 3 bolts in the same thread. I show you. And now this is the combination of the steel brake pads. This is the I'm making in the machine shop. And watch it, how to remove the AC clutch in a simple way. Okay, we need to tight, make sure that we will not losing by each holes, each thread and each bolt. Okay, and make it perfectly completely same height, so it will be pulling up. They will seam goes out the plates. Watch carefully, watch nicely what I do. Now I'm making the bolt to make it tight properly, so we will gonna hold the plates and push out by the bolts. 17 bolts. That is the big bolt in the center side. I'm going to pass. So watch it very nicely. This is very fast way idea. I'm going to show you how to remove this. If once you know this, you can do it yourself. Thank you very much, my friend. I hope you like my video, my upload, my tutorial, and you give me the subscribe, and I'm gonna thankful to you. And I'm sure this is a big help to you and your brothers and for your family. Please share this video to all your friends to learn about automotive industry. Don't be late. Our industry are going high technology. That's it, the position. So we slowly tighten. When you tighten the bolt, they will already pressing out, pulling out the clutch. You see that? Very easy. If you do not have the special tools, this is very difficult to remove. You cannot remove without special tools. The special tools you cannot buy. You cannot buy in any stores. This is made by yourself. Also modified and check. Just see what I am doing, what tools I have, and modify. Make it by yourself. That is the snap ring inside the clutch. We need to remove. Now already removing. This is the old one. Okay. And we need to remove the hub. I will going to take the 3M puller. Use the 3M puller to remove the hub and make sure that all handles are locking up inside. Also doing it slowly and put the WD-40 if you have. Now we all gonna finish already removing. Just follow the instruction, watch my video very carefully, and you will learn from me, and you're gonna earn someday, and one day you are the one of the best technician. Okay, this is the last three screw inside the coil. And many compressor are not using screw, are using inside the snap ring locks. This the L200 is different. They are using the 3 screw inside. Okay. Now I'm gonna removing. We are already done. Already finished to remove and install, AC clutch. You can watch the next video to how to install the AC clutch, because I made it. It's a very long video, so I make it short. This video is only for removing the AC clutch. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.